Hello lovelies, welcome back to Alake Oge YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be learning how to make this simple cape dress. It's so easy and simple to make. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, please continue to watch this video. And a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So, to get the amount of fabric you're going to need for this tutorial, you're going to multiply your shoulder measurement by 2. Your shoulder measurement is 40, so 40 multiplied by 2 equals to 28. And that's the 28 inches I have right there on my fabric. So, the amount of fabric you will use for this will depend on your shoulder measurement. So, I'm just going to go ahead and fold this into 2. Then I'll now fold it again. That means I will have my fabric folded into 4. So because we are going to be cutting the front and back together, it will be the same thing. So just go ahead and fold it. You only need your shoulder measurement for this and probably your waist tone later on. So for this, I'll fold it into 4, and the next thing I have is shoulder measurement. That's 7. My shoulder measurement is 40, so 40 divided by 2 equals to 7. But I'll remove 1 inch away from that because this is sleeveless, so you need to reduce your shoulder measurement. So I'll remove 1 inch from that, and that 1 inch that I'm removing will serve as my folding allowance around the shoulder area. I'll use that 1 inch to fold it straight down. So that's why you need to multiply your shoulder measurement by 2. Then you now deduct 2 inches from there, or you minus 1 inches after you folded it into 4 like this. So whichever way, just once you folded it into 4, just measure your shoulder measurements divided by 2, then minus 1 inch, and that 1 inch should serve as your folding allowance. So right now I'm measuring my neck. So I'm doing neck of 3 by 3 inches. You can do more than that. If your head will not go through this 3 by 3, if it's too small for you, you can do 4 by 4, depending on how deep you want the neck to be. But make sure your head should be able to enter because this does not have any zipper. So I'm just going to, after marking the neckline, I'm just going to mark the length of the dress. And I want my length to be 35 inches. So I don't want it to be too long. Then I'll be adding 1.5 inch for the folding allowance at the hem area. So your length will be your preference. So how you want it, how you want it. So this is what I want. I just marked that right on the fabric, and I'm just going to cut the excess fabric from there. Then the next thing for me is to move to the neckline and cut the neckline like so. So the next thing I'll do is to just do the shoulder sloper. But before I do that, I'm going to slash through there because where I was folding it into 4, I have one folded edge. So I'm just going to slash through that area right now. So I'm just going to slash it through like so, in order for me to have 2 pieces, one for the front and one for the back. So I will now be sloping the shoulder by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Don't forget to do that. I almost forget, but I will later do it if I see it. So I'm just sloping the shoulder by 1 inch right there, and that is all measurements we are going to be taking for this cape dress. It's so simple to make. So for you have your cape dress. So the next thing is just to take it to the sewing machine. I join it together at the shoulder and also by the side. So this is it. So now just take it to the sewing machine and join it together at the shoulder area here and also on the other side. And after that, make sure to fold it. We added 1 inch for the folding allowance. So straight from the hem down all round, just fold it. And also at the MI, just fold it also. So this fabric right there, what I'm going to use for the robe, there's a robe at the side. So the length of this fabric is 28 inches and it is 4 inches wide. So I will cut it into 2. So I have it on fold right there because we'll be needing 4 pieces of it. So I'll be cutting it into 2. So it's 4 inches on both sides of the cutting that I ever cut it. So I'll still cut it into 2 together for me to have 4 pieces. So each piece is 4 inches, 40 inches long and 4 inches wide. So that is what I'm going to be using for my robe. So I'm just going to fold it together in order to clean up the edges. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold it together and join it at the bottom too. So this is what I'm going to be adding to my cape dress. So this is 40 inches long and 4 inches wide like so. So once I fold it into 2, I'll have about 2 inches, 1.5 inches left for the wideness of the robe. So this is the cape dress already. I've joined it at the shoulder, and also the neckline. I use bias to finish it up. You can cut facing or use bias. And then at the hemline, I've already folded it also. At the side too, I've folded it already. And our dress is almost ready. So the next thing I'll do now is to insert the rope. And here are my ropes by the side. I have 4 pieces already. I told us I'll be using 4 pieces. So now, like I mentioned earlier, that will be needing the waist measurement. I mean your shoulder to waist. My shoulder to waist is 16 inches. So I'm just going to measure that. And you're just going to place your rope by the side, or whichever way, just want the way I'm putting it. So you can put it down here, that or like at the middle right here, at this side here, the way I'm placing it. So just place your rope there and just take it to the same edge here and stitch it. So make sure to stitch it on the all sides. You know, it's going to be in 4 places, 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. Make sure they align at the side. And voila, we have our cape dress. So that is all. This is just simple to make. I made this under 30 minutes cutting and sewing. It's just simple. See how it looks like. You can rock this during the summer. It's just so simple and easy to make. So that is all. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe for more awesome content. If you have any content idea, you can let me know in the comment section down below. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Bye.